Vintage fan collector 1939. Here is a General Electric dehumidifier. Decided to do something a little bit different today, because why not? Let me go ahead and flip this thing around and I'll show you the information tag. Here it is. The info on it is amps or volts 115. The capacity is 20.28 pints. Okay. And yes, 1.40 kilowatt hours. Amps 3.7, model ADEL20LYQ1. Yes, this thing is 5 years old, because look at this, 2020. That means 2020, by the way, if y'all didn't know. I need to get this thing going, because it is hot up here and I need some moisture removal. So here we go. Here's the amps, the amperage meter I have. It's pulling a little bit of power because I have it plugged in. It's electronic controls, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and, well, I got to zoom out, turn the thing on. So here is on. I have it set yet. I don't know, 35%. Okay, let's go ahead. There it goes. Let you listen to how quiet the compressor is. Listen to that GE. Listen to that GE compressor whine. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Now, this right here where the filter is, where the air gets pulled in, this is the evaporator coil. Works similar to an air conditioner. I have it on fan speed low, my humidity 50. Well, I had it on 45. I had it on 45. There we go. There we go. It's on 45 there. Low speed. Low speed fan, by the way. Oh, let's see. What is our amperage? What does that say? You know, it says 2.945 amps. Let's go to medium on the fan. Still 2.956. Well, now it's went up to 2.968 on medium. Let's go to high. 2.979. 3.013. Not bad. Hopefully y'all can hear the fan running. Dang, my camera angles are getting real bad. Ugh. I may have to re-upload this video or something if I can't get it right. Let y'all hear the real quiet fan on this. It's very quiet. This thing also has a non-stop feature on it, which I'll show you. what the non-stop means is basically you can leave this to run all the time if you want. This also has a delay off 2 hours or 4 hours. Filter timer. My microphone is in a bad spot here. Well, y'all, I don't want to make this video too long. So I guess we'll do a spin down. Or, yeah, and let you hear the... Well, I have the camera facing the blades, the fan blade, and then I'll put my microphone next to the evaporator in the front so you can hear the refrigerant flowing through. So let's go ahead and let me get this fixed up. All right, let's get it off. Hopefully you can hear the refrigerant flowing. Okay. Hopefully y'all saw it, but hopefully you saw the spin down. Anyway, let me put this back on the tripod here. Anyways. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.